Should you pay $50 for a J1772 to Tesla charging adapter? Or should you get one from Amazon for $20? Let's find out.
The YModelY.com experience. Elevate your drive. YModelY.com. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel.
Why do you need a J1772 to Tesla adapter?
The story begins with our parent, Chevy Volt. They would come up to visit us on the weekends, and they would want to charge their Volt, which has a J1772 port. So when we were getting our solar installed, they bought us a Clipper Creek home charging unit so that they could get free electricity from us. This is the charging unit that we still have. They don't have the Volt now, but we thought we could use the charging unit for our new Tesla. As you can see, it has the J1772 charging head unit. For our Tesla, we needed to have an adapter that converts our J1772 charging head into one that'll fit the Tesla car charging port.
EV Dance adapter unboxing.
So we went online and we bought this EV Dance J1772 to Tesla adapter. This is the product box, which has reasonable branding and markings on it. The EV Dance branding is not too obnoxious and makes for a clean, professional look. It has a small 2-page manual, not much to it, since it's a simple adapter. It explains the basic safety rules and how to plug it in. Overall, it's a nice, clean-looking adapter, well built and comparable to the Tesla adapter that came with the car. This is rated for 80 amps and 240 volts and is for Type 1 and Type 2 chargers only. It's built out of polycarbonate, which is stronger and has a better heat rating than standard ABS plastics. It has nice, high-quality silver-plated copper conductors on both sides of the adapter. This is the J1772 side of the adapter. This is the Tesla side that gets plugged into the car. Overall, it is a well-built adapter.
Using the EV Dance J1772 to Tesla adapter.
The easiest way to open up the charging port on the car is to use the Tesla app to open it up. Once it's open, you can then take the charging head, in this case the J1772 head, and you put on the adapter. Make sure the correct notch is at the top part, and you just plug it into the charging head connector. Once you hear the click, it is ready to go. At that point, you can insert the charging head and the adapter into the car charging port. Once it is connected and charging, it'll change colors. Once you open the charging port door from inside the car or the phone app, you have 30 seconds to plug it in before the door closes. Charging with this charger took about 6 hours to go from 20% to 80%. This is exactly the same amount of time it took when we used the Tesla version of this adapter. So, performance-wise, the Tesla and the EV Dance adapters were about the same. If you try to remove the charging head before you have unlocked the charging port, it will not come out. The easiest way to unlock the port is either from inside the car or from the phone app. Remember, once unlocked, you have 30 seconds to remove the charging head before the car locks it up again. The nice thing about the EV Dance adapter, or even the Tesla adapter, is that once it's on the charging head, you don't have to take it off. You can simply put it back into the receptacle and it fits quite nicely.
Please check out YModelY.com to read the full written review.